So right now, Marlene is making a pen for her daughter's rabbits that are in the shape of a right angle triangle. Okay, so two sides of the pen measure to be 3 meters. So what would be the other side? So we're going to assume it's going to be 3 meters here and here, right? We want to figure out what the other side is. Now, if this is 3 meters, right? We have, using the Pythagorean theorem, it's going to be 3 squared plus 3 squared has to equal to the last side squared, okay? That means C is going to be 9 plus 9, so square root of 18, approximately 4.2 meters. And the reason why I know that these two sides, the 3 and 3, are supposed to be, right, A and B and not the hypotenuse C is because if one of the 3's were the hypotenuse, then you have 3 squared plus the other side that's missing plus C squared, which is 3 squared, right? This tells me that this has to be 0 for this equation to be true. Okay, that's why these 3 meters will not be the hypotenuse.